What's up, guys? So, first we got this box that contains 25 cards, one foil, and then here we got a mystery pack. Looks like it has one booster pack and one foil card. Okay, guys, now we're back at home. I am so excited to be opening these because I have not opened any Pokemon packs since like sometime in summer. 25 cards. This first one is an energy. It looks hollow. That's hollow, so that's good. Okay. So let's see. It might be just like a EX battle deck. But no, doesn't look like it because there's just yes, battle decks do have the same energy and stuff, but these are different energies. We've got water balloon. We've got arrowhead, goose, green cat. We've got bird and its eggs, mouse, go bird, go poke, another go bird. We've got okay, we're getting some vintage cards. We've got Mario, or Mario's whole thing. That's not what I meant. We've got Spiral. We've got Go Palm, Spider. We've got another Go Bird. Okay, another Pokemon Go. Pube. Whoa. Rewind. We've got Tar. We've got Evolution of Goat with Smeargle and Natu. Okay, we got some vintage in those. Not all that exciting. But now we're going to get to this mystery pack.